I'm Centra, and this is Centra Art. Jupiter is retrograde in Pisces at 2 degrees and is going back into Aquarius. The star Delphinus resides there. It is also called the dolphin, and you can see the shape of the dolphin in the night sky. In Vedic astrology, the lunar mansion we are headed towards is called the Nishta, meaning steady movement towards growth and abundance. So, let's get started with your messages. These messages are for the fire signs. Jupiter is in Aquarius. So for Aries, that's your 11th house. For Leo, your 7th house. And Sagittarius, your 3rd house. Your first message is hello from heaven. Your loved ones in the spirit world wants to connect with you. As much as you want to connect with them, they know you've been thinking of them, and to prove they're with you at this time, they're sending you signs and symbols to show you how much they love you. This card comes forth now because you may be thinking of someone you're missing. So this serves as a validation that he or she is still with you. When a loved one passes and leaves this physical world, the familiar method of ordinary communication gets interrupted for a time until a new form of communication is established. Spirit people are trying to get your attention through special signs and symbols. This is their new way of connecting with you. Trust that it's really your loved one's presence you're feeling. Acknowledge when they visit you in your dreams or when they send a specific scent that reminds you of them. Another way for them to let you know they're around is blinking lights, TV set turning on and off, shiny penny and dimes suddenly appearing, or even cell phones ringing with their names being displayed. These are just some of the many signs and symbols. So put a loving thought out to them and let them know you're ready to receive more and that they got your attention. Be thankful for these signs and symbols. Cherish and hold them close to your heart, for they truly are hellos from heaven. Hello from heaven. Your second message is new career. This card signals a happy change in your work life, even if that change doesn't seem to be under your control. Rest assured that your career track is heading in the right direction and you are learning much needed skills and lessons along the way. The more you can stay focused on your highest vision, the smoother and faster you'll travel along your career path. However, do stay flexible, as exciting new doors may open for you unexpectedly. This is a good time for you to make an employment change, provided that you've done planning and self-assessment first, instead of impulsively switching jobs. You are guided to research, prepare, and then take action. New career. Your third message is lizard regeneration. As a survivor, you are unparalleled. No matter what happens, you can adapt. Embrace your transformation. Put on your new cloak. You are a master of regeneration. Lizard is an ancient one. They are reptiles from an older time. Their quick action and quirky maneuver outwit and confuse their adversaries. Lizards survive. Lizards is sometimes called the little dragon. Lizard medicine has the power of regeneration and transformation. Lizards can shed their skin, their tails, let go of the past, and step into a positive future. Lizard people know they can survive anything and heal against incredible odds. They are powerful dreamers and should pay attention to the messages that come from their subconscious. You can receive warnings that will help you avoid pitfalls. If lizards is your totem, you have the little dragon within. Dragons are those who are free of the limitations of the past and transform into greater awareness of self and personal power. With lizard medicine, you can transcend injury and hardship. Lizard people regrow and renew themselves into wholeness. Clairvoyance and extrasensory perception belongs to the evolved lizard regeneration. Your fourth message is aura cleanse. The toxic buildup of psychic pollution that comes from living in today's world is dimming your awareness and lowering your energy. Don't worry, it's nothing serious, but it is time to find your direction once again and return to flowing in good vibes by taking an aura cleansing bath. Your guide says you need an occasional cleansing to calm your soul. My favorite spiritual bath is a lavender essence and Epsom salt bath. Add 1 cup of Epsom salt and 10 drops of lavender to a tub of warm water and soak away the world for 20 minutes. The salt purifies your vibration and the lavender balances it. Luxuriate with your eyes closed while concentrating on all your positive qualities. Imagine everything that disturbs you lifting off and washing away. Pray for your healing angels and guides to clear all negativity and release all energetic cords and attachment to others, leaving you to soak in peace. You'll know when the bath is over. You'll suddenly feel relaxed and peaceful, as though everyone is out of the pool. When it comes to your energy field, do this at least once a month to maintain your good vibes, or anytime you feel overwhelmed and can't stop thinking or worrying about life. Aura cleanse. Before we go, I would like to share my symbols in the back with you. We have the number 5. We have Libra. We have 11. We have 9. And we have the moon. Okay. So, let's take heed to Hello from Heaven, New Career, Lizard Regeneration, and Aura Cleanse. I hope you enjoyed my message. See you soon. Bye.